2016. Again, approximately 10:45 p.m. What we're observing is the first few drops of water on the floor from the ceiling above. Again, this happens every night. It's going to get much worse throughout the night, as it always does. But you can see where the water has just begun to hit the concrete floor. You notice these white dots. This is the permanent staining of the water on the concrete. I'm not just picking one area here either. Anywhere you go in the pool house, you'll see the beginning of water appearing on the floor, staining the floor, anywhere you look. Here's the beginning of pooling of water next to the pool. Nobody has been in the pool house at all today, so this is not splash out from Abigail doing her pool therapies. We stopped her from that today because we wanted the pool room to be completely dry and in its natural state to make the videos. Again, pooling of water everywhere, all over the floor. I'll make another video in the morning at sunrise to show you the end result. Again, the point should be made, this is only the beginning. At about 10:45 p.m., it will get significantly worse throughout the night. Here's water already accumulating at the bottom of the wall. I show you that in another video and explain how it drips down the north wall. But as you can see, any place that you go in the pool room, there's significant dripping of water, floor, and walls.